Welcome. I'm going to show how to change this electro valve of a washer. First, take out the water from the main water and take out the power supply, and the socket is empty and the plug is out. Now I'm going to show how to take out this solenoid, and you can verify if it is good or not. Before to go to this task, I'm going to cover this area of the washer, and because we are sure do not lost any screw, I'm going to take the multimeter in 20 kilo ohm position, and now I'm going to measure here the resistance of the coil. In this case the coil say 5.18 kilo ohms, and now I'm going to show a broken coil, and the measure should be near infinite, no resistance. And if I go higher resistance, you can see there's no any resistance measured. And now this is a broken, you cannot use this anymore. Now I'm going to show how to take out the valve, and this is the valve. I keep attention to these parts, these moving parts, and I'm going to show all of these parts. This is the inside of the valve. Okay, here come the water, and this valve stop the water when it's released, and the solenoid valve is not excited, and when it's excited the solenoid retract a little and allow the water to come and flow inside the washer. And this valve is made with a membrane, a polypropylene membrane, and is not hard, and inside there is a metal rod and a spring that has to be in place here, and this is the rod that will be attracted by the magnet provided by this solenoid. Now if this leak, you have to change at least this ring, I will say this ring, and it's enough. If not, you have to change the solenoid as we saw previously. And I think for now it's all. You should be able to change this part of your washer. Thank you and bye. Good luck.